Hello, I am Mani Malarvannan. In this video, we will look into DeFi Mullet, how the backend technology with various blockchain, crypto can be integrated using the new UI technology that is started happening. We are in the transition state that users can able to start using the complex crypto with easy to use user interface. We will get into the details. Last week, we looked into some of these explanations, what is going on in the front end and the back end. In this video, we will see in greater details what exactly the change happening and how the transition is going to help the individual customers to start using the blockchain technology. See, one of the major challenge using the traditional banking is it is very difficult for you to send money from one geographic location to other. If we are going to transfer within the same country, then it is easy. But if you want to transfer from one country to another country, it takes a lot of intermediaries. First, you need to pay more transaction fee, and also you need to wait for 2 to 3 days, sometimes weeks before the settlement happens. So even though you will send the money, say Friday, and due to weekend, Saturday, Sunday, you have to wait Monday for your friends and family to receive the funding from the money you sent from any country. So that has been a challenge. And even though the banks are working on to improve it, there are still a lot of issues. It is a slow to transfer, and there are a lot of hidden fees that are associated with that. Sometimes it goes to close to 10% of your transaction fee you have to pay. If you send $100 to someone from US to India, then you need to pay $10 for it. And also, if you are traveling from, say, US to Singapore, and if you want to use the credit card that you currently have, you may not be able to use it because the bank sees that you are started using the credit card in Singapore, and they may block it because there is no mechanism for the banks to settle the transaction fee, and all the complex things that needs to be worked on. And that's where the blockchain comes into play, and how we can see how the blockchain is going to change, and it's already changing it. The only challenge is in the last 2 to 3 years, it's not easy for any individual user to use it. You need to be a technical savvy to understand the wallet, to download it, and create a seed phrase. And if you lose the seed phrase, then no one can recover your wallet. All those are going to change due to the new technology that is happening both at the back end and also in the UI side of it. So what the DeFi Mullet actually means, it's basically means that you can able to use your traditional apps you are currently using to start interacting with the blockchain. For example, if you use a Face ID login in your app to log into any application, you can use it to log into any blockchain application, any decentralized application. And also you can see the dollar amount balance in dollar or whatever in euro or whatever other currency you want to use it. And also you can able to use the UI to send money, receive money, and you can also able to earn credit for the purchase you are using the app. And also you will get the instant notification of any transaction that happens, and you get a normal customer support that you usually get using any of the application. And also there is a clean separation of the tax documents of using these applications. All those whatever I am saying, it's not possible before 2025. You have to be a technical savvy to use this decentralized application, and you need to understand a lot of backend technologies. There are various blockchain, there are various crypto tokens, NFTs, and it keeps changing. And there are new tokens, new blockchains are getting created. And even for the technical savvy person, it's not easy to use the blockchain to send money and receive money. But all those changed in 2025. The one of the main critical aspect is the current US government passed a law, the Stablecoin Genius Act. So that made creation of a digital currency that is value in the US dollars. If you have one stable coin, then that is valued to one US dollar. It is like having a $1 in your wallet. Instead, it is in the app you can able to use it. And also this value doesn't fluctuate. See, one of the critical issue with the crypto, either Ethereum or Bitcoin or any other crypto, it the value keeps changing 24/7 because it's been transaction happen all through the world 24/7. So based on various aspects, the value of one Bitcoin converted into dollar value or value of one Ethereum converted into pound, it changes. But if you are using stable coin, it is constant. If you have one stable coin, it doesn't matter. It is value is equivalent to one US dollar. So that is being constant. And this makes a lot of issues that goes away using traditional cryptocurrencies. And also the smart contracts that are built using the stable coin, you can able to track it, you can able to send money from one wallet to other wallet. Basically, if you want to send money from you from your wallet in US to your friends and family wallet, say in Mexico, you can able to send it and all the transaction happen instantly, and you still need to pay the transaction fee, but you know how much transaction fee you are going to pay. It is not, there is no hidden fee and it is not going to change, and you know that if you send $100 and you know that your friends and family in Mexico will get it in their local currency. See, all the currency conversion that all happens instantly, and within minutes they can able to start using their money that being sent. But that's not possible in the traditional banking system. And also all this transaction that happens in the public ledger, anybody can view it, and you and your friends family can able to see which network, which blockchain network it's being used, and what exactly happened in the transaction, who got paid, and all those information that are available without providing the actual person physical location, physical name or anything. See, all the transaction that happens in the public blockchain, public ledger, so anybody can see it. It's not that you are giving all the information to the bank and everything is protected in the bank's network. Nobody can see what is happening, and that is the main reason the blockchain are getting popular in the last 4 or 5 years. More and more people started using it. And also all the automatic reconciliation, that is a very complex process in a traditional banking system. Now it's completely automated in the blockchain system, and because of that, the money you sent from one country to another country, it instantly they can able to get it, and all the currency conversions from US to Mexico or US to India, Philippines, whatever, it can happen instantly. And there is no fraud happens in the middle because all the transactions that are happening in real time, and also you can able to see it in the blockchain public ledger using various tools and technologies. You can able to monitor where your fund goes and who got the percentage and how much percentage they got as a commission, as a transaction fee. All those it's possible using these new technologies. So why this is happening now? You can ask, if this can able to happen, why not companies create this new interface, new UI couple of years back? The main challenge is to have a stable currency for the transaction, because as I said earlier, all the crypto value changes 24/7. So there is the one main thing is that the stable coin provide is the value is constant. As I said earlier, one stable coin equal to $1. So you can able to have that one fixed. And also companies started working on understanding it. There is no way they can able to onboard billion or more than billion customers coming into the blockchain without making their UI interface as easy as possible so that they can able to use the Web2 experience, but use the blockchain technology, Web3 technologies in the backend. So that includes like a simple face app application using their face or thumbprint to log into the application. There is no complex seed phrases they need to remember, and also they can able to identify in case of any issues to recover their application. That's not possible before 2025. If you lose the user ID and password, if you forget your password, you have the seed phrase, then you can able to recover it. If you lose the seed phrase, nobody in the world can able to recover this wallet for you. Whatever money you have it in the wallet, that's lost. It's like losing your wallet with $100 bill. Once you lose it, there is no way to recover, but that is fixed now. So you can able to assign your friends and family to your wallet so that in case if you forget, then you can ask your friends and family members, you can assign one or two people, and using them as a backup, you can able to recover your wallet. And also the backend systems, I talked about stablecoin, and there are other related technologies that are happening so that it makes the life easy for the normal user to start using the crypto technologies. So what exactly the changes for the normal user? Faster settlement. If you send money from US to India, US to Philippines, or from Philippines to US, the settlement happens drastically within minutes. You don't have to wait for hours or days for that. And then the painless cross-border transaction. If you have to send money from, say, US to some country and in some African countries, sometimes you can't even send because the law doesn't allow, or you cannot have a proper settlement technologies available for them to use it. But using the crypto, you can send money from any country to any other country within minutes. You can able to get the money to your loved ones. And also the transparent earnings. And if they say that they are going to charge 5% or 0.1% transaction fee, they're not going to increase it. There is no hidden charge for that. But right now, if you are going through the banking system, there are a lot of hidden charges. They won't even tell you. They just say flat fee 10%. And between the 10%, there are a lot of intermediaries they need to go through. So they will charge more. But in the crypto world, whatever they say they are going to charge, they are charged, and you can go and verify it who got the percentage and what exactly how much percentage went to which application. You can able to view all those things using, yeah, since using your technologies, using the UI tools, because all the blockchain technologies are all public ledgers. It's like a big Excel. Everybody can go and see without having providing any personal informations. You can see since you know your account number or your public ID, using that you can able to see when the transaction happened, which network it went, and finally who got the money. You can able to see all those. So the safety and trust. So these are all the real questions that the blockchain solves it. So the first thing is the customer support. You have a customer support in case of issues. You can able to call the app customer support and get responses, just like a regular Web2 technologies that you are using it. And also the user protection. The second layer is the user protection. So you get warning. There are AI based technologies that are getting used so that your wallet will not be drained. You can able to set it up so that even if somebody get hold of your wallet, you can set a daily limit of transaction, say $100. So these smart wallets, you can able to make how much transaction that can happen in a day. Even if somebody gets your wallet, they can't drain your entire wallet and run away with the money. That's not possible before 2025. With the smart wallets, now it is possible. You can able to set a daily limit. So even if some bad actor gets hold of your wallet, they cannot drain your wallet. They can able to charge only $100. That is similar to credit card systems. If somebody get hold of your credit card number and the expiry date and everything, they can't able to drain it. They can able to charge $1,000 because whenever they see it, it triggers in the credit card system network and you get an alert. So the similarly that's possible in the smart wallet technologies. And finally, the product design. All the smart contracts that are being deployed to support these front-end technologies that are working seamlessly from the user's point of view. You send money, you receive money, or if you want to use your wallet for any type of a day-to-day transaction, you should be able to use it. And how it is happening, all those, that's because of the backend system that is being built. There is a AI technologies that are being introduced that constantly monitors blockchain network, the smart contracts, and also your wallet, so that any type of illegal activities that get notified as soon as possible, so that ultimately your money is being protected. And that's by spending limit, and also there is a insurance programs that are available. You can able to insure it in case of any issues, then you can able to get the insurance money out of it. And also the policies before 2025, it is vague. There was no protection from the government. Now the government are all enforcing various rules and regulation, how to operate the blockchain network and what are all the things they need to do. So if any customer or a company operating the blockchain, they need to follow the local rules and also the international rules that are being actively created, that are being actively used it. So all those things makes the customer life easy to use the various blockchain technologies. So what you will actually notice once you start using the applications, the smart decentralized application from your smartphone, speed of transaction. One thing, you can use the application for any transaction to send money, to receive money. And then the simplicity. It's as simple as it using any Web2 application that you are currently using. So you don't have to understand the seed phrase, you don't have to understand wallet, you don't have to understand complex technology jargons to start using it. Then the third item is the control. So you can able to control your wallet, you can able to set the daily limit, you can able to set the rules, you can associate with that, and that helps you to use the system, use the application the way in which you want to use it. And then the flexibility, and also by using these apps you can earn points, just like how if you use a credit card you accumulate point. You can start accumulating points by using the systems. Whatever the technologies that made the Web2 applications as easy as possible for billions of customers, it started happening in the blockchain technologies. So slowly but surely, more and more people will start using this blockchain network because of its speed, because of its simplicity, because of less transaction fee. So where this goes next, the traditional banks, they started implementing the blockchain technology because they understand the real potential of blockchain, and they're not going to go away. The traditional banks will still exist. If the customer want to use a traditional bank, they'll be happy to use it because they get more percentage of a commission by using it. But if you are a smart customer and if you want to reduce your transaction fee, you may want to jump into the blockchain technologies. So traditional banks will support both type of customers. They want to have a crypto customers and also they want to support the non-crypto customers. And then there are a fintech apps are being created, stablecoin as the backbone. Because see, once the stablecoin, the rules and regulations are all fully established, it is there, but they are still working on, there are various companies they are working on to establish the stablecoin rules and regulations. And once it is fully established, you can able to transact in US dollars wherever you go, any part of the world. You should be able to use an app and start transacting using it. Ultimately, the users are winning, and the traditional banks will slow down their traditional networks and they will fully migrate to the blockchain networks. And also, in our previous videos in this channel, we talked about how the AI agents will start using, or it's already started using, the crypto technologies to send money, to receive money, and then the agents can interact with other agents for their task. And once the task is successfully completed, they send cryptocurrency to other agent, which help to finish the task. So we talked about this, and if you need any more information about these agent to agent communications, please go and watch our other videos in this channel or post a comment. We'll be happy to help you. And that's all I want to discuss in this video. And if you need more informations about any particular topic, please let us know. We'll be happy to help you. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and also send this video to your friends and family members. And please subscribe to this channel and grow this channel. Thank you. Bye.